If you are searching for multifunction recliner, come to Chair Direct. It can 360 swivel and rocking. You can first control the recliner sofa open and close via button. You can also use the voice wake-up assistance to control sofa to working model, game model, and sleeping model. You can put some juice under arm storage. With USB port and phone holder, you can free your hands and enjoy movie when lying on the sofa. Our leather is soft and pretty strong to anti-cat catching. It is also very easy to clean the dirty things. Best choice smart sofa for you. Come and join us.
You want to stay warm when you're feeling cold, but heating the whole house is so expensive. And why do bulky space heaters clutter up your floor? Now you can just plug in and warm up with Handy Heater Turbo Heat, the new compact and cord-free space heater that's small in size but big on heat. Just plug in and 800 watts of power instantly circulates warm, soothing air, heating any room up to 250 square feet. Watch! Using thermal imaging, you can actually see it warm up this chilly basement by 20 degrees. Amazing! Best of all, you can adjust the thermostat to your exact comfort zone. Go from chilly and cold to warm and toasty with ease. Turbo Heat is whisper quiet, perfect while reading, watching TV, or getting a warm and cozy night's sleep. Space heaters are big and take up a lot of space, so we designed our revolutionary micro-ceramic technology combined with high-velocity airflow. Together, it sends incredible heat throughout the entire room. No more clunky heaters or messy wires. Turbo Heat plugs right into the wall and takes up no space at all. Plus, it removes wires off your floors and countertops. Now easily warm up the office, dorm room, RV, and more. It's even great for winter traveling. And warm up with Handy Heater Turbo Heat.